Hello, good morning, YouTube team. This is Rubin Gamalo Official, the owner of the YouTube channel. I have no YouTube link appealing. Sorry. And now I am appealing to your good office which regards of my YouTube channel of this demonetization program of the YouTube. The reviewers' feedback of my channel states will we reuse content the Canipo Island in Palawan, Pinagpala, Buhay Isla, updated May 26, 2024. Content owners, Buhay Isla. The third party. So, disregards of its contents, I accidentally deleted the video. I have a fault, and I'm mistaken about this content, that portion. I apologize, YouTube team program. And very sorry to delete the video. So, my channel, Rubin Gamalo Official, is my content is to inspire the fellow man, the fellow subscriber, viewers, family, friends, and other viewers, other part of the world, to inspire, because I am a balot vendor here in Caloocan, Manila. So, YouTube program o team, I appealing this content. I appealing this because sometimes my content is mixed. In this moment, I'll see the video of Buhay Isla in Canipo Island, and I recommend, I screenshot in my cellphone, and I use my cellphone Vivo 22. I record and I plan to upload to YouTube. So this is what happened. I am not hoping of this. Accidentally, you review that video is a reuse content that I have. I am out of the lines part of the YouTube. So YouTube team, please regards about this situation, and I hope the decision or your option is yours to monetize again my YouTube channel, Robin Gamalo Official. I'm very thankful about your regards, and I'm hoping that the monetization part is to monetize again my channel. Thank you very big, and thanks a lot. Sincerely yours, Robin Gamalo Official, the owner. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.